Hello, this is the first of a series of videos I'm going to do about looking after your bike and how to simply stand your bike up against the wall, lie it down, what to do with your helmet, etc. So there's kids out there that get these fantastic bikes but they don't really look after them because they're not really shown what to do with them. If they come from a family which aren't necessarily biking themselves, how are they supposed to know what to do? So this is some pointers of what you can do or don't do with your bike in your bits of kit. Okay, so lying your bike down. If you're lucky enough to have gears on your bike, they're going to get damaged if you lie your bike down on the other side. So the simple thing to do when you're lying your bike down on the ground is to do it chain up. Gently place it down flat. If you see what I've done with the pedals, the bike just lies flat. And it just means none of this gets damaged. So you can enjoy your riding.